What's good in the hoodie? It's your girl Erin, and I'm back with another video. So today we are going to be talking about some dupes that came from Fashionnova, and yeah, I have some Prada dupes that came from Fashionnova, and I want to go ahead and talk about it with you guys today because I feel like this is very important and you can save some coins, especially if you don't have the money to spend on Prada at the moment. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so I guess we'll start off with the boots. The boots, I believe, were, let me see, let me get my receipt, let me get it together. So the boots were $31, and if you've been on Pinterest, if you've been on Instagram even, you know like what the Prada boots, the actual Prada boots look like. They kind of look like this, but they have like the little pouch on the side. These did not come with the pouch, but they are really pretty, and they're really comfortable and light, like very light. They're not heavy. When I saw these, I was like, I gotta go ahead and get them. And then too, I'm going out of town at the end of the month, so I think these would be cute to like just wear with an outfit, like a night outfit. So yeah, these are it. Like, these were for me. So yeah, the regular real Prada boots, I believe they cost $1,200. If not $1,200, it could be more, because I know the purses, like the little sling nylon vintage purse, those do cost $1,200. But yeah, so these are my babies. Let me get out the other boots so you can see a little bit as well. You can see them together. So yeah, these are the boots. Now, I do know Fashionnova doesn't have the ones that come with the pouch, but I do know Pretty Little Thing does. So if you want to go ahead and get your hands on those, Pretty Little Thing has them, I believe, for $60. But these were $31. Freaking steal, okay, for a dupe. So yeah, and y'all know like Fashionnova always has dupes, like dupes of everything. Dupes of the Kardashians, what they wear, they have dupes of those. Like everything from Fashionnova is pretty much a dupe. And look how cute the box is. Like, y'all, this box is real cute. Fashionnova is stepping up because they needs to have all this. Okay. So the next dupe, I'm so excited to open because I really want the actual, like the real one. I'm saving her coins for the actual real one, okay? $1,200 for that bag. I want it, okay? So y'all know what I'm about to bring out. It's the nylon bag, but Fashionnova has one, and it is called the Style Muse Crossbody bag, and it's only for $21. So basically, this stuff is $52. $52, y'all. $52. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I got it in the style black, of course. Ooh, y'all, it's so freaking cute and little. It's so baby, okay? So y'all know, y'all probably asking like where the little sashes is inside. And it comes like with a little pouch too. And then it's my first time opening this, y'all. Oh, it comes with a little thingy too. Like the little, this is gonna be so freaking cute. Oh my god, okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it together so y'all can actually see it. Okay, so that's that. And it looks like the only thing it doesn't have is the It's like the little one across it. That's what it looks like. This, I don't know where this one is supposed to go, like at all. This, I'm gonna put this right here. Y'all, look how freaking cute this is. Okay, and this part, I really don't know where this part goes. Like, I'm having a hard time. Does it like go? Okay, let me look at the picture on Fashionnova and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, the little part, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture on here so y'all can see as well. So the little tassel, that's actually supposed to go on the side. Let me wear it like this. Put it on. If I'm not mistaken, this has supposed to go inside the thing. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I don't like the way it's doing like a little, I don't like the way it's doing that. So, oh my God, I gotta take it off. Okay. Like the way they did it on the website is pretty, it's not simple at all. Okay, now I like it like this. Okay. That's the bag. So I have to stay down. That's the bag, and that's a little pouch. I'm gonna move the pouch down a little bit. Okay, there we go. So this is a cute little bag. It's so freaking cute. Like, it's gonna be so cute. Like, yeah, it's gonna be real cute. Let's see. Oh, my hair. Okay, so this is it. So this is the bag. Isn't it like, it's a lot to deal with, y'all, but it's cute. Like, it's gonna be dealt with. Either I can get it together. Okay. Yeah, this is a little pouch. You know, with the Prada pouch, it actually has the logo right here, the triangle logo, and then on the purse, it actually has the triangle logo on the side as well. So that's the only thing that it is missing. Oh, and it's missing like the little extra strap, you know, to just carry it like this or on your arm. But yeah, who cares? But yeah, it's so cute. Like really so cute. This would be real cute. Period. Let's see. I did not like the pouch right there. Put it right here. Yeah. Yeah, y'all, this is a little pouch. Oh, well, a little pouchy. A little pouch. Little purse. And it is, and again, it is $21. And my things were 30% off, so I did use, you know, 30% off coupon. So yeah. And I don't even know like what I'll put in here. I know, but I'll put my hand sanitizer in here. would definitely not fit in here, but yeah, it's big enough for hand sanitizer. And then in here, just my wallet. My wallet, because that's all that could be in here. If y'all can see. So, not that much space, but it's durable. And also, I do know, because I was originally going to buy my Prada Dupe bag from Boohoo, and I know Boohoo has like the actual like nylon look-alike, not like you know, with the chain. Actually has a strap. So if you know want the this one is from Fashionnova, and if you want the one that has the actual strap, like, and it's very look-alike, that one, go to boohoo.com if you want the actual look-alike one. Okay, so yeah, those are my dupes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be doing more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, go ahead and press that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Again, my name is Erin. And y'all don't be a stranger, and I won't be a stranger. I'm coming back full force. You know, this is last quarter of the year. I'm about to make something happen. I'm about to make something shake. You know what I'm saying? Again, my name is Erin. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful. Bye.